So, good morning, everyone. Uh, I am Poojaji of IT Department, SNS Institutions, here to present you a topic from the subject of computer networks. So, today's topic is about IPv6. So, have you ever wondered how every device around you, your phone, your laptop, smart TV, even your smartwatch, connects to the internet without confusion? So each device needs a unique identity called as the IP address. But here the problem is the internet is running out of them. So today let's explore IPv6, the technology that is shaping the future of internet communications. Let's start with a simple reality like IPv4, the order system supports about 4.3 billion addresses. Sounds like a lot, right? But today we have over 8 billion people and each person owns multiple devices plus billions of IoT devices like sensors, cars, and wearables. So clearly, IPv4 is not enough anymore. It also has other issues like no built-in security, no efficient support for real-time services like video streaming and complex packet handling. We need something better. So for that, uh, we have IPv6. That's where it comes in. So it uses 128-bit addresses, which is compared to IPv4's 32-bit. This means it can support 340 undecillion addresses. That's an almost unlimited number. It also introduces built-in security using IPsec flow labels for smooth video and audio streaming. A simplified header structure for faster processing. In short, IPv6 is faster, more secure, and future ready. So the address structure. So these addresses are returned. They use hexadecimal numbers separated by colons. For example, FTEC colon 0074 colon 4 times 0 colon quadruple 0 colon quadruple 0 colon B0FF colon quadruple 0 colon FFFF. But to make life easier, we can simplify them. So how can we do that? It is done by removing the leading zeros, replacing the consecutive zeros with apostrophes. So it will be written as, instead of colon, it will be written double colon. So it is much cleaner, right? So types of these addresses are, it supports three main types of communication: unicast, multicast, and anycast. Unicast is one-to-one communication, like sending a message to single person. Multicast is one-to-many, like streaming a video to multiple viewers, and anycast is one-to-nearest, like contacting the closest server automatically. So these types makes the communication more efficient and flexible. Then this is a small thing. So IPv6 packets are also designed efficiently. They have a fixed header size of 40 bytes, making router faster. Additional features include traffic prioritization, flow identification, and simplified processing for routers. The design improves overall network performance. So now you might wonder, can we directly switch to IPv6? Not exactly. We use transition, dual stack, tunneling, header translation. So dual stack is nothing but running IPv4 and v6 together. Tunneling is sending the IPv6 through IPv4 networks. And then header translation like NAT64. So these help in smooth migration. So companies like Google have already adopted it. In fact, a large portion of traffic runs in IPv6 and they are observed 10 to 15% of faster performance. That's a strong sign that IPv6 is not the future, it's already here. So here how the transition is done. So as I said before, dual stack, tunneling, header translation is being given here. And this is the case study, industrial case, like I said before about Google and all. And how the evaluation is done. So it has the phase 5, that is test and reflect phase. So this is the summary. We have come to some summary. So every device needs an IP and IPv4 has only 3 flaws. So IPv6 is here to solve those flaws, and it's been a solution. And for the prototype, we use 40 byte base headers, and for test, we use dual stack transition, for example. So to sum up, IPv4 created the internet, but V6 is expanding it with unlimited addresses, better performance, and built-in security. It is essential for the growing digital world. So I have given some of the references here. You can go into it and check it out. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to continue with the other videos that is to be posted. Thank you.